We have our own telematic platform from where people can get their vehicle tracked. So we provide complete solutions for the BTS service provider in Bangladesh.
Would you prefer like companies to actually move into Odoo ERP solutions, taking ERP solutions? Because moving on, other services that you talked about as well was the IoT. And also, we'll get into the AI aspect a bit later because that's a whole different area of talking. It's a vast area. So before that, I'd like to consult. I feel like the Odoo solution or the ERP solutions that Kolpolok is providing, and also the IoTs. So how does these two relate, or are these completely different areas of solutions? And you're wanting to provide for IoTs, there are other services, particularly. Which one would you like to put emphasis on?
For IoT, we are currently emphasized on only telematic. So telematic solutions we are doing. We have our own telematic platform from where people can get their vehicle tracked. So we provide complete solutions for the BTS service provider in Bangladesh, and service provider from around the globe can take their BTS service, tracking service from our platform. They can easily onboarded in our platform, and whether they can own their own solution, or they can be part of our they can be a part of our SaaS platform as well. So this is one. And about Odoo, we are concentrating on manufacturing and trading related ERP customers, people who have trading business or a manufacturing business. We are transforming their business using Odoo ERP. We are a listed ready partner of Odoo, and from the past couple of years we are doing very good using Odoo ERP. We have a very good team of the ERP, and we are implementing Odoo ERP for their business.
Right. So, is it more focused on the enterprise level, big enterprises, or for SMEs as well? That's one question. One and two is like every business model has their own way of doing things. Their operations are different from company to company. So, how much does that come into account when they come for a service? Like how much customization are they expecting, and how much will you willing to deliver according to the customer's need? Like, are there any challenges that you have faced in it, or do you feel like we are wanting to do this much as we can? What's the whole thought process in case of that?
For Odoo, this is a beautiful software. I mean, this is very popular nowadays in the whole world. And as this is open source, people are more inclined to it because there are no vendor logged in. We found a problem in Bangladesh implementing Odoo. That is, customers have their requirements. They want to solve their problems. This is very natural. But most of the time, they do not cope with the current features which Odoo have. Odoo already shipped with a lot of features. Probably it's already built in there, but still customer look for the solutions as a customizations. So rather, if they change their process a little bit, they can easily cope with the existing Odoo solutions. In this way, they can reduce their implementation cost, and they can be habituated with the standard process.
Right. So, would you prefer like companies to actually move into Odoo ERP solutions, taking ERP solutions? Because do you feel like it's a budget-friendly solution for them, or will it bring sort of a cost-cutting edge as a company?
Nowadays, companies are moving towards automations. So most of the companies are inclined to take solutions, any kind of ERP solutions, any kind of software to transform their manual process. So Odoo is playing their part because this is a cheaper than SAP and Oracle or Microsoft 365, but at the same time it has limitations as well. Odoo is best fit for SMEs, but not for large enterprise. So SAP or Oracle, they have their own market. Odoo have their market.
So moving on from the ERP, I guess ERP is something it will always be a questionable aspect because operations are different, and I believe the level of customization actually customers want, or I myself want from a company, it won't be the same as the output that the software is giving, because there are predefined models, as you're saying, and working the process out depending on that is better than actually going for a customization, because it takes time in development as well, and it also takes time in implementing it in within the company. So moving on to the biggest aspect, AI. Artificial intelligence has become like bread and butter now. With the open AI coming in, playing such a vital role, and all the big organizations are trying to implement AI. So where is Kolpolok with AI, and what does Kolpolok vision with AI?
With the evolution of AI, generative AI, every companies are driving towards the artificial intelligence era. So we cannot avoid this transformation. So we have started working on AI. We started using AI in our workplace, and at the same time, we are as a software company, we are trained we started working on AI to provide solutions to our customers. Currently, Kolpolok is working on 2 AI related products. Very soon it will be live.
Right.
For our customers.
That sounds a very exciting prospect. And that means, I guess, the employees are also empowered with AI within Kolpolok, right?
Yes, right.
They know how the AI is working. They're working with AI as well in their day-to-day tasks, perhaps.
Yes.
So a big question about AI that comes in is, will AI be taking jobs of people? This is a question, a very common question, and as you are a CEO, I prefer to ask you this question because you have a big team, you'll have a bigger team. There are other CEOs as well. So, do you think that AI will actually take the jobs of people?
Yes, at some point AI will reduce the opportunity, because using AI, it will require less number of human to do more works. I mean, a group of people using AI, our outputs are growing exponentially. So what will happen? I can do more works with less number of people. So in this particular sense, AI will reduce the jobs. But at the same time, AI will increase productivity. So it's not. So people actually should adopt AI. People actually use AI to boost their productivity.